This person's talking about how it's a victim's choice to stay in an abusive relationship. She'll help you once, but not more than that. After that, it's your fault. This is a person who claims to know many women who've been in abusive relationships, and this is how she treats her friends. With friends like that, who needs enemies, right? I honestly try to understand people when they say that it's a choice. I think from the outside it kind of looks like a choice, but when you start to actually look, like for more than 2 seconds, you can very easily see the nuance of actually being able to leave these kinds of relationships. Men and women can both be perpetrators and victims of abuse. The reasons we stay are complex and personal. And it's continued rhetoric like this that often makes victims feel shame, and that results in them staying even longer than they should. To any victim or survivor, to all the victims and survivors of abuse, I'm sorry that there are people like this that exist in the world.